Aboru Abuye, esteemed members of the Permanent Forum of People of African Descent, I stand before you today as YORUBA, a custodian of Ifa, an ancient African indigenous spirituality that has withstood centuries of oppression, marginalization in Africa and in the diaspora. Ifa is more than just a belief system. It's a sacred tradition that embodies wisdom, values, and cultural heritage of the Yoruba and practitioners in the diaspora. For generations, Ifa has been under attack, maligned, and marginalized by colonial powers seeking to erase our identity and subjugate our spirituality. Our sacred practices have been condemned as primitive, superstitious, and unworthy of respect. We have survived discrimination from states and other fundamental religions. We have survived legal restrictions and impunity for violence against our spiritual leaders and sacred sites. Many Ifa practitioners have lost their lives. Yet despite these attempts to suppress our traditions, Ifa and Orishas have survived. I urge you to recognize the importance of protecting and preserving Ifa and other African indigenous spiritualities in the diaspora. And here are some reasons why. Ifa is not just a religious practice, it is a living expression of our cultural heritage, passed down through generations from our ancestors. It embodies language, art, music, science, and a way of life. To lose Ifa would be to lose a vital part of our African identity in the diaspora. Ifa teaches us to live in harmony with nature, to respect land, water, air, as a sacred gift of Olodumare, the Supreme Being. Ifa serves as a source of community cohesion, fostering solidarity, mutual support, and collective responsibility among its people. Ifa empowers individuals to connect with their inner selves and their ancestors. The right to practice one's religion and culture is a fundamental human right enshrined in international law. Yet African indigenous spiritualities like Ifa continue to face discrimination, persecution, violence, and we must stand together to defend the rights of all people freely to practice their beliefs without fear of reprisal. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Aquila,